In this cake tutorial, you'll see how to make this scratch-off cake design using clay sculpting tools and a bonus belly dance move. Hi, it's Lorelei. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes For You Cake Tutorials. And if you want to build your skills and confidence to create the most beautiful cakes and memories, then don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Begin by coloring your buttercream. I use Italian meringue buttercream for everything. If you need help with making or using buttercream, there is a link below to a full course that I created that will help you become an expert. Next, randomly add the colors to a crumb-coated cake. This cake here is my orange butter cake filled with white chocolate buttercream and fresh raspberries. You can find my best recipes in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei, on Amazon. In my book, you can also get charts to help bake larger scale and wedding cakes. Shout out to Linda for gifting me with this adorable and very well made spatula. I absolutely love it. You will need a batch of chocolate ganache. Spread that over your cake and smooth it out the best you can. Tidy up the bottom and refrigerate for at least 15 to 20 minutes. All right, time for some cake decorating with a twist. So while your cake is in the refrigerator, you have 15 to 20 minutes to just play around and dance around if you want. So we're gonna do a little belly dance move, and I'm gonna show you how to do a shimmy. The last video I did, I showed you how to do hip drops, just like this. But now we're gonna do a shimmy, and that's both hips. So while one hip drops, the other one comes up, and vice versa. Now, when you do this, you wanna bend your knees slightly, and then just move your hips up and down. Now, if you notice, my upper body's not moving at all. This is isolated to the bottom half of your body, and how you do that is by bending your knees. So you don't wanna do this. That's without bending the knees, okay? Bend the knees, stay down a little bit like this, and then just move your hips up and down, and that's how you do a shimmy. Here's a fast shimmy and a slow shimmy. One more thing, use your glutes to stop the action. So right here, I'm going to use my left glute and my right glute. So you just tighten up the glute, and that stops it and makes it very sharp. So you want that sharpness in your shimmy. Have fun, put some music on, dance around. Just let me know in the comments below if this is something that you want to continue seeing. And I will see you in a few minutes with the cake. We're going to just finish up that cake. All right, we're back. And here's the tools I used for this cake. The link is below the video for you. Grab a cup of very hot water and some Scott towels to wipe off the excess frosting as you work. This is my first attempt, so I was a little bit nervous, but once you get the hang of the pressure needed and the angle, it gets a lot easier. The ganache layer should be fairly thin so you don't have to go too deep. If you do plan on adding flowers to the top, you can use it as a practice area, which I did. I found that the tools needed to be dipped every single time that you do a scraping. I felt so much more confident with the second design, and it became more fluid. Sprinkles add a nice color, and I tossed on some gold as well. The tips that I used here are large, and I will leave the number for them underneath the video for you. The buttercream flowers needed to be large, and I wanted them to be sort of whimsical. It started as a rose, but then it became less formal. Hold your large petal tips sideways and pull the petals up. It's kind of a cross between a mum and a rose. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning cake decorating with a twist. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.